Hey, what is going on, guys? Just want to do a little video here on this Samsung over-the-range microwave I just picked up. There's really no videos on YouTube or anywhere else about this microwave, so that's why I kind of wanted to do a quick video on it. I'll show you the model number. That is the model number of the microwave, ME21M706BAG. It is the black stainless steel. Mainly got it to match my black stainless steel stove I got from Samsung as well. So here it is. It's a really nice microwave until it matches perfect. It's 2.1 cubic feet. It's got the sensor cooking and all that jazz. Turn the light on. It's got LED lights on it. You can see they're up there. There's the grill thing, which is easy to, you just push that and pull it out, which is easy to get access to. And of course it's got the vent. There's a recessed handle over here. How you open it, and the door, the whole thing does open, so you gotta stand back, because I mean the door is massive. And you got all this here. This here is removable, which I will remove it because I won't use it. Turntable, ceramic interior. There's more of the model number and all that. So it's a pretty nice microwave. It is black stainless steel, but you really can't tell from right here. But it is. This also, installation was pretty simple once I figured out the right template to use. That's for if you have a vent for the back or outside or whatever. And you'll get your installation instructions. This is your template for the wall, I believe. Put it up to the wall, yeah. This here is the template for the upper, which was, I have a recessed cabinet, so it was pretty hard to put this on here. I just kind of measured the microwave basically, and drilled my holes and did it that way. And you get that there is what they call the user manual, but it doesn't tell you how to operate the thing. Well, I mean, it's all pretty simple to operate. You just push a couple buttons and then you can figure it out. But there is no operator's manual with it. I mean, I'm sure there is one online if you need it. But that's what it looks like. I really like it with the stove. Looks good. Now I just need a fridge and a dishwasher, and all my appliances are complete. Thanks for watching. Oh, if you have any questions on the microwave or anything like that, I will do my best to answer. As always, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you did. You can always subscribe if you want. And I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.